EOA is a trade exchange. We promote and manage trades between Alaskan business owners. Let's see how we can help your company. So let's say you're an espresso shop owner and you need $1,500 in dental work. If your drinks average $5 each, it's not realistic that any dentist would trade for 300 espresso drinks. However, for EOA members, these types of trades happen every day. Using trade dollars, EOA will purchase $1,500 of your gift cards, which gives you 1,500 trade dollars to pay the dentist with. You've now received your needed dental work without even touching your company's cash flow. And you will also receive a lot of new customers, as EOA sells your cards to members, who then redeem them at your espresso shop. You have no dental bill, as you paid the dentist in full. Now you simply redeem the gift cards that you sold to EOA, as they come in. For business owners, trading is always less expensive than paying with cash, as EOA trade purchases are always made at your cost of earning a trade dollar. Let's figure your cost to earn a trade dollar. EOA trades usually only represent around 10% of your total sales volume. And, since almost any business can increase their sales by 10% without any increase to their overhead costs, such as rent, payroll, and utilities, the only cost to earn a trade dollar is the specific incremental costs of each sale, such as food, paint, maid service, etc. Since overhead costs remain the same, regardless if you trade or not. The IRS agrees with this thinking, as they do not allow businesses to include overhead costs when donating what you sell. For the service industry, it costs 20 cents to earn a trade dollar. For the restaurant industry, it costs 40 cents to earn a trade dollar. And for the retail industry, it costs 50 cents to earn a trade dollar. So to recap, your espresso shop received new, loyal customers. You had the dental work done, while barely touching your cash flow. And you received the dental services at an effective 60% discount. And, the dentist is also happy, as he received a new patient, who paid up front, and in full. And, he was also able to trade his otherwise unsold time, and without any discount. Dentist used his 1,500 trade dollars to purchase a fishing lodge vacation for his family. And he also received a trade loan to purchase Christmas baskets for his patients. As a member of EOA's worldwide group of business owners, there are many thousands of available trades, just waiting for you. The following categories include hundreds of businesses, and are available in Alaska. They include employee benefits programs, janitorial and commercial laundry services, automotive services, advertising, and building repairs and maintenance. These categories are also available: health and beauty businesses, restaurants and food, entertainment and sports, medical and dental, travel in Alaska and worldwide. And EOA has hundreds of other categories.